This is Chris 6 News with winter storm coverage you can count on.
That's right, Old Man Winter is back and in a bad mood, but not as bad as the mood he was in last February when we went down to 17. We're not going to see anything like that, but we are picking up a wintry mix on our Doppler radar now, and even a little bit of white out here to the southwest of Mathis. I would imagine there are a few snowflakes flying in the air out here. Very tricky forecast. But the bottom line is the wintry mix that we've been calling for now for a couple of days is happening. In fact, Bill Alexander of our staff was talking about this last week. So yeah, here it comes. And then we've got pockets of rain along the coast with heavier amounts near the coast. But you can see areas of yellow in here southwest of Kingsville right now and north of there around Bishop. So they're getting a good amount of rain down there too. And it's a cold rain at that. This extends all the way back up to San Antonio and the hill country, but it's worse down here than it is in the Alamo City and the hill country. And there's more moisture coming back here to the southwest. It's going to ride up over the top of that front that barreled through here just about 24 hours ago. And that lift is causing an unstable atmosphere, and that's why these showers pop up into thunder showers, especially when they get over the warm Gulf waters relative to the land. So we have the winter storm warning primarily for some ice mixing in with sleet and freezing rain and a little bit of snow out to the west. And then we've got the dangerous wind chills also to keep in mind, down around 20 degrees. So that's in effect till noon tomorrow. Here are the weather headlines. It's 30s now with temperatures falling to freezing and below overnight in the inland areas. Very cold and windy with showers on the increase. They've been doing that all evening, and that'll result in wintry precipitation in the form of the sleet and the freezing rain mix. And then tonight and early Friday is when that takes place, and the winter storm and freeze warnings are in effect. Don't need to worry about your pipes because it was in the 80s yesterday. So by the time the pipe would freeze, it's already going to be back above freezing tomorrow. So I don't think pipes are a problem. But this is 34 degrees in Corpus Christi, 35 in Beeville. Everybody is cold and dropping towards the freezing mark overnight, and the feel-like temperatures are dangerous. 23 degrees is what it feels like in Corpus Christi right now. We have the lowest one of the entire area, but everybody's cold with the northerly winds that will continue overnight. They do relax a little bit during the day tomorrow, but still adding a chill to the air. Right now, 34, north wind at 17. It's just tough outside. And that hourly forecast, you can see the wintry mix here overnight, and it kind of ends about 7 in the morning. And then we slowly warm up. We'll actually see some late day sun tomorrow as this passes on by, and that'll put temperatures back in the 40s, but not before we hit the freezing mark, with some icing conditions on some roadways, especially the elevated ones, by morning. That's why we're having hourly updates after the newscast tonight, and we've been having them throughout the night, and that's why you want to watch 6 News at sunrise with meteorologist Juan Acuna. But here it is. You can see the snow beginning to fall around Alice and in northern Jim Wells County right there. And that's because of the overrunning that's taking place with this very cold front that came through about midnight last night with gusts to near 40 miles an hour. The southwesterly flows caused by this disturbance. We haven't had that before this winter. This is the first time this has happened, and that's why we're seeing the precipitation behind the front and not clearing behind the front right away. This is the situation we were in all day today, minus the dropping of any significant rainfall. But now we're getting into this. So in the clouds, it starts out as rain and starts to freeze. That makes for sleet. And when the surface drops to 32 or less, it's going to change to freezing rain tonight over much of the area. But the amount is what is going to cause the problem. If it's just a little bit, it won't be a problem, a few hundredths of an inch. But if it's a tenth of an inch or so, the ice will pile up in some spots. But along the coast, I still think a cold rain in the pink area here, depending on where you live, that'll be the wintry mix. And west of this line, you're in for a little bit of snow, and that includes Alice and George West. So you'll see a few flakes if you stay up all night. There is the future tracker on this, and again, it shows a large area of a wintry mix at 3:30 in the morning, and then it starts to diminish by 5 a.m., and then it's pretty much gone by 2 tomorrow afternoon. The amounts are very light up to the northwest, but heavier along the coast. We could see a ½ inch of precipitation. Walking the dog tonight, I don't know when we're going to get it done, but we will get it done, but it's going to be tough. And there we go with the freeze warning. I know we're running out of time here, but I got to show you the freeze warning for the entire region and the lows tonight that look like this at 31 degrees here, 29 in George West, 30 in George West, 29 in Beeville, 35 in Port Aransas. So the 7-day forecast has us at 47 tomorrow, 34 and 56 for Saturday, and then 42 and 55 Sunday, and light rain likely on Monday. And then Tuesday looks great. Katya,
can't wait for
we're going to have a quiz in a few minutes.
You're going to have a quiz
for me?
I got a couple of questions for you, but I think the main thing, when you were doing your Facebook Live earlier, a lot of people were asking overnight. Some folks have to go to work, so what are the road conditions going to look like overnight and into the morning? Well,
I mean, it's hit and miss, but we're going to have this wintry mix. That's why we have the winter storm warning out, and we've had it out for some time, issued by the National Weather Service. So you really want to check with Chris 6 before you go anywhere tomorrow. Before you leave the house, check first. And then also, we talked about the car thermometer, right?
Right, yeah.
So you can check on your car thermometer, and if there's precipitation falling and it's 32 or less, you better stop or get off the road, because that's dangerous unless you really know what you're doing as far as driving on ice. So I would, instead of put myself and my vehicle in that position, I would just stay home if it's at all possible until this is over with around 8 o'clock and we go back up above freezing.
Okay, and then real quickly, you're going to be on the air, on the hour, every hour until 3 in the morning. So if you, for whatever reason, I mean, if you need to check, make sure that you're checking with us, obviously, on the hour, every hour, and then Juan is going to take over, right?
Yeah, if that's a problem, on top of every hour right here on Chris 6, and then meteorologist Juan Acuna will take over at the 4 o'clock, right on through the morning show, and we'll get you through the day. But get you through the night is what it's a 3-dog night, and we'll make sure it happens.
All right, Dale, thank you.